Today's journey begins inside the world's largest modern papaya processing factory facility. Fresh, ripe papayas arrive daily before entering advanced automated processing systems efficiently. Industrial washing systems clean every papaya before precision food processing begins today. Artificial intelligence selects premium papayas using advanced optical inspection technology automatically today. Precision peeling machines reveal perfectly clean papaya flesh for premium food production. Automatic systems remove papaya seeds while preserving maximum delicious fruit flesh carefully. Uniform papaya slices ensure consistent quality throughout every production batch, processed carefully. Automated cubing machines produce perfectly shaped papaya pieces with remarkable production precision. Experienced inspectors guarantee premium papaya quality before advanced packaging operations begin successfully. Perfectly processed papaya pieces become premium products enjoyed by consumers worldwide daily.
Advanced extraction machines transform fresh papaya into delicious premium natural juice efficiently.
Modern filtration systems ensure crystal clean premium papaya juice with exceptional natural quality. Controlled pasteurization preserves flavor, freshness, nutrition, and premium food safety standards perfectly. Automatic filling machines package premium papaya juice with incredible speed and precision. Robotic capping systems securely seal every premium papaya juice bottle perfectly today. Smart labeling machines create attractive premium packaging with remarkable production accuracy daily. Industrial robots package premium papaya products quickly with outstanding precision every hour. Automated palletizers organize finished papaya products for efficient warehouse storage and distribution. Automated warehouses organize premium papaya products before worldwide distribution begins successfully today. Every day, millions of papayas are shipped from this facility, destined for tables across the globe.
Premium papaya products travel nationwide through efficient modern transport.
International exports deliver premium papaya products to customers across worldwide consumer markets.
Weighing over 200,000 tons, this giant of the sea transports the goods that power our world.
Modern warehouses organize imported papaya products before retail store distribution begins successfully. Satisfied customers enjoy delicious premium papaya products as healthy, everyday, nutritious choices.
Wow, this is delicious, Dad.
I'm glad you're enjoying the fresh fruit. Cheers!
Food scientists continuously improve premium papaya quality using advanced research technologies daily. Smart factory systems monitor every papaya production stage with exceptional operational precision. Massive automated production lines create premium papaya products with incredible manufacturing efficiency. Reliable utility systems power continuous premium papaya production with exceptional industrial efficiency. Routine maintenance ensures advanced papaya processing equipment operates safely every single day. High-speed automation produces thousands of premium papaya products every hour efficiently today. Massive packaging systems prepare premium papaya products for worldwide distribution every day. Export containers receive premium papaya shipments through intelligent automated logistics systems. Worldwide logistics deliver premium papaya products quickly across international consumer markets daily. Premium presentation highlights freshness, quality, innovation, and exceptional food manufacturing excellence beautifully.
Look at the color on these.
They look amazing. Definitely getting these for the fruit salad.
Gigantic automated factories produce premium papaya products through advanced processing technology efficiently.
Modern innovation transforms fresh papayas into premium products loved by millions worldwide.
Global distribution centers deliver premium papaya products with unmatched speed worldwide daily.
International logistics connect premium papaya products with global customers every single day.
In this massive logistics center, a diverse team works alongside autonomous robots to move thousands of premium papaya cartons daily.
Beautiful retail displays showcase premium papaya products, attracting shoppers every single day.
Happy customers enjoy naturally delicious premium papaya products every single day together. Premium presentation highlights freshness and exceptional quality, innovation, and manufacturing excellence beautifully together.
Gigantic automated factories produce premium papaya products through advanced food processing technology. Every production stage reflects innovation, precision, quality, automation, and manufacturing excellence together.
Modern technologies improve efficiency while supporting responsible, sustainable food manufacturing practices globally.
Fresh papayas become premium products through innovation, precision, and world-class manufacturing excellence.